Students got a chance to sift through some business casual to professional clothing items Wednesday morning. Career Services hosted their soft opening of the career closet on the third floor of Bibb Graves, giving students the opportunity to maybe find that perfect outfit for upcoming job interviews and internships.
We've done a drive with faculty and staff who have donated items, and students can come in and take the items that fit them and keep it forever, up to 3 items apiece per semester.
For students who are looking to start building their closet with professional wear, Cole says that this may be a good place to start.
Well, some students, we hope it helps them financially if they don't have the extra income to invest in professional clothing, but also it's just their first time in actually building their professional wardrobe, so we want to help them get started.
If you're still needing help applying for jobs, internships, or just need career advice, Career Services has some services available to help.
We're available in Eldridge Hall to help with resumes, mock interviews, job searching. They can go to our website and they'll see Handshake in the middle of the page. That's where all our job postings and internships are, and they can go in Handshake and schedule appointments with us.
The Career Closet was only open for one day, but Career Services hopes that it'll hang around for much longer in the future. Chelsi Law, Troy, TrojanVision News.